In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to create two ellipses on an angled ceiling with a cutout using bars, baffles, and slats in the USG Ceiling Technix plugin. Before we launch Technix, we'll go to our section view and make sure that we have all the work planes we need in the right place and at the correct angles. This first work plane we've titled Angle. Now we'll add another work plane in the opposite direction and call it Accent. Now we'll go back to the ceiling view so we can draw our ellipse with a cutout. We'll launch the USG Ceiling Technix plugin. With bars, baffles, and slats selected, we'll then select Create Ceiling to select our cassette and cassette properties. We'll use larger profile cassettes in dark Yatoba. Since we're attaching it to an angled plane, we'll leave our offset at 0. Next, we'll click Draw Boundary Lines to draw our first ellipse with the Ellipse tool. Once that's done, we'll draw a second ellipse for the cutout. Next, we'll place our anchor component and select Place on Work Plane, then select our Angle work plane. Keep in mind that Revit is unable to snap components on an angled plane to the grid. Therefore, you may want to make sure you have all your coordinates marked on your plan so you can be sure everything is going where it's supposed to. In this demo, we're just going to eyeball it. Clicking Escape twice will take us to the next step, generating our ceiling. Once it's done generating the ceiling, we'll double check our work using the View function. This looks good, so we're going to move on to our next step. We'll repeat the process again, creating a smaller ellipse inside our cutout. This time, when we place our anchor component, we'll select our Accent work plane. We're going to place our cassettes. We'll rotate them for effect. Then generate ceiling. Once it's done, we'll check our work and there you have it. An ellipse with a cutout and another ellipse, both on angled planes.